The DJI Mini series has long been celebrated as a groundbreaking innovation in the world of drones. With its compact size and professional-grade capabilities, it has set a gold standard for creators and hobbyists alike. Weighing under 250 grams, these drones not only eliminate the hassle of FAA registration, but also pack a punch with features like high-resolution cameras and intelligent flight modes. However, as exciting as the Mini series has been, rumors and leaks suggest that DJI is ready to take things to the next level with the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro. The Mini 5 Pro, according to leaks, is poised to redefine what compact drones can achieve. A standout upgrade is the inclusion of a LiDAR sensor, borrowed from DJI's high-end A3S drones, which will significantly enhance object tracking capabilities. This means the drone will be able to track moving subjects with even greater precision, making it an excellent choice for action filmmakers and creators who need reliable tracking during dynamic shots. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature redesigned vented motors, which will not only improve wind resistance but also enhance cooling and extend the drone's overall lifespan. This is a notable improvement for those who frequently use drones in challenging environments. Despite these enhancements, DJI has reportedly managed to keep the drone under the 250-gram weight limit, ensuring that it remains accessible and easy to use. Another exciting addition is advanced obstacle sensing technology, with leaks showing two new front-facing sensors placed between the cameras. These are expected to improve navigation safety, making the Mini 5 Pro more reliable in complex environments. Furthermore, AI-powered tracking systems are anticipated to make this drone smarter than its predecessors, adept at following fast-moving subjects seamlessly. The Mini 5 Pro isn't just about smarter technology, it's about smoother performance too. Rumored 5G connectivity will allow for a more responsive and reliable live feed, ideal for professional creators who require real-time precision. And with an expected flight time of up to 40 minutes, the Mini 5 Pro promises to surpass the already impressive endurance of the Mini 4 Pro, giving users more time to capture their best shots. DJI has always struck a delicate balance between lightweight designs and cutting-edge features, and the Mini 5 Pro seems to exemplify this philosophy. If these rumors hold true, it could set a new benchmark in compact drones, offering a blend of portability, innovation, and performance that's hard to match. In this video, we'll dive deeper into the expected features, explore what these upgrades mean for the user experience, and share insights about the Mini 5 Pro's potential release timeline. Stick around, because there's a lot more to uncover about DJI's next big leap in drone technology.